This thing, yeah. Good morning, y'all. Hope you slept well, and I hope you had the sweetest of dreams. I just wanted to post a little vlog this morning. YouTube has been a little bit of an adventure lately. Stay tuned for further details. But anyway, what was I gonna say? Hi. Anyway, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. I'm really blown away, and I have met some really, really awesome people. That I hope that we can build a friendship that will last us the rest of our lives. But anyway, people, at y'all's request, some of y'all's requests from the last bullying live stream, last weekend, which went awesome. If you missed it, you can look it up. It's in the playlist of bullying. Bullying needs to come to an end, whether it's in person or whether it's cyberbullying, which I am discovering a whole new world of that. I just don't get it. I try to get along with everybody, and I want to show love. That's what it's about, love. Not hate, not control, not you're talking to so-and-so, da-da-da-da-da, so you're a bad person. No, my channel keeps getting slammed because not the things I do, it's because sometimes who I'm associated with. Stop with the bullying. But anyway, the next stream, like I said at y'all's request, is going to be on Duran's channel. The link will be below, but I am going to post a update on the time and everything, and a specific vlog just on that, either this evening or tomorrow. So y'all could just click that little link below and go directly to his channel, and Miss Dreamweaver will be there, and we're going to be discussing bullying again. So either if you have experienced bullying, or you want to meet some good people and hear some of our stories. I got a piece of freaking hair in my eye. That's not good, but at least it's my blind eye. But the following clips are the following clips are from, there you go, Terry, are from yesterday and last night. But in the meantime, my friends, thanks for having my back. Thanks for being part of my YouTube family. I love y'all, and God bless. And I don't care what you're facing. Keep on keeping on. Keep that faith in the good Lord above, and know you're loved. Like, subscribe, click that little alert button if you want to, and I'll catch y'all later. I love you. Remember the sign language. I love you. I tell ya, look at this. Pumpkin spice rolls. Look at this. Pumpkin eggnog. Pumpkin eggnog. I wonder if that would be any good. They got regular eggnog. Oh, wow. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie girl. Wow. Oh, here comes my stalker that's forcing food upon me. He's making me get marshmallows, which is my cat.
Dollar a bag.
All right.
What kind you get?
I just got the
marshmallows.
I just got. Look at all this pumpkin spice stuff, Mom.
How much is this?
$1.19.
You want the other kind?
Why? Something wrong with that?
No. Without the marshmallows.
It's fine. It's fine.
You're gonna have a lot of marshmallows. You're like me though. I like to eat marshmallows by myself.
Pumpkin muffins.
Well, get you one.
No.
I'll eat some.
No. You want a box?
No, get you one.
I don't want a box.
Oh. Now she ran over my foot. See? No cholesterol, no fat. Made with real pumpkin. Good.
Mom, I don't need
You
milk.
can open it and give me one. Take the rest home.
My oh my. Pumpkin spice. Big bars.
He's running into too much pumpkin spice.
Look at this. Pumpkin spice fig bars.
Oh my god.
I know, right?
I can't even.
I know, right?
There's brownie.
Pumpkin. What? Pumpkin. What's this? Pumpkin flapjack and waffle. Pumpkin flax. Is that what it says? Flax?
That's Kodiak cakes.
Ooh.
Hurricane cakes.
Cuppity cakes. All right, Mom, go. Let's see.
Which way?
The seasonal stuff. I know they're not gonna have my coffee.
Oh, down here.
Go ahead.
I'm a pumpkin spice girl in a pumpkin spice world with many issues, apparently. Okay. I said I wasn't going to vlog for a day or two because there's been a little bit too much drama on my channel. But I can't stop. I'm addicted to vlogging. I need help. Halloween candy. Ooh. Oh, they got some pretty towels and stuff. Whoa, look at all this candy. Oh my God. I found me a man. George, move over. Check this out. I found me a man. Oh, the softest touch. What do you think? Nice couple. People are looking at me like I'm nuts. And they do have a point. But what do y'all think? At least I can see him. I can't see George. And if y'all don't know who George is, excuse me, ma'am. If y'all don't know who George is, well, refer back to different vlogs. He's my invisible boyfriend. Okay. Well, it was very nice to meet you, sir. You have a very blessed day. Look, we got some pets for our backyard. They seriously need to be fed, but... Oh, there's a little bitty baby one.
Get just a little deal of water.
Because it's lemon flavor.
Oh, you like that?
No, I don't know if I like it. I wanted to try it.
One regular. You might not like it.
I gotta carry it up the stairs.
Just a little.
Oh, look at all the little babies.
Oh, look, Terri. It's pretty.
Kind of reminds me of someone I know.
Your mother?
I didn't say that.
You didn't have to.
I didn't say that. Oh, look at all the candles. Pumpkin spice. Oh my gosh. That smells good. Alright.
So far, all I need is this. I've got to get it to them. These oatmeals are good. You need to get some. You just put them in the microwave.
Okay. If I don't drop my glasses. Sorry, y'all. I'm just looking around. Alright. Look at the blankies. Whoa, those are really soft. That's like the feels like the socks that I like. Alright, I said, what did I say? I don't remember.
There you go, flaming pumpkin.
Cool. Only like pumpkins I can eat, Mom.
You can't eat that one.
Well, I can try, but I might have a little bit of
I
indigestion.
wish I could eat steak, but I can't eat it no more.
Alright.
Go ahead, I'll follow you.
What am I trying to get? Oh yeah, the cats need dry food. Alright, Mom. We need some toilet paper. TP. Y'all really don't need to see this. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, let me see. Where's my chicken pot pie? Of course, I pulled the chicken out of it. Okay. Chicken pot pie. That's big. Oh God, Mommy scared me.
I'm scared.
I just need to get,
The boys don't eat meat pie?
no, I don't know. I need to pick up. No, I don't need no ready whip. I don't know if y'all can hear this, but all these birds at HEB, sometimes it looks like Alfred Hitchcock's, remember that old movie, The Birds? They're not going to do it now. They were just flocking everywhere. Can y'all hear that? They're in all these trees. Look at that. There they go. Look at this. This is it. Oh my God! Holy moly! I'm in the movie The Birds. It's been so thick in this parking lot before that you can't even drive through them. Anyway, I wanted to share that with y'all. They're everywhere. Look at this. These trees are full of them. And this is at nighttime. What are these called? Gackles or whatever? I don't know. Blackbirds? Anyway, I wanted to share that with y'all. Pretty cool.